Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix Steam keyboard popping up. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. If you're experiencing issues with the Steam keyboard popping up unexpectedly, you can try the following solutions. So the first step would be open Steam, and go to View in the top left corner. Ensure that the Big Picture mode is disabled. Big Picture mode is designed for use with controllers and might be causing conflicts with the keyboard. Another guide: open Steam and go to Steam, Settings. At the Settings window, choose the in-game tab. Make sure that the Enable the Steam overlay while in-game is operational. Also, ensure that the Steam overlay shortcut is not set to the same key as your system's keyboard toggle. Another guide: ensure that there are no background processes or applications causing conflicts with Steam. Close unnecessary applications running in the background. Another guide: go to your PC's keyboard settings. Make sure that there are no custom keyboard shortcuts or configurations that might be conflicting with Steam. Now, as a last resort, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling Steam. This will ensure that you have the latest version without any corruption. And if the issue persists, consider reaching out to the Steam support for assistance. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.